Okay, final outcome. It took me a little over an hour, but that was because I was farting around and checking my phone because I get messages, and then I had an issue with the hinge. Anyway, the directions tell you that this thing should take 30 minutes for one person. Honestly, for someone like myself, I would give myself a good 45 just to be safe. And I think I probably could have cleared that easy peasy had I not been distracted with everything else going around. So, I don't know. This thing's not too bad. It's going to be undercover, which is, I'm going to tell you right now, a must, because this board is not going to hold up very well in the weather and the elements. But, I mean, it's got their door to get in and out. I showed you the inside already, but there's the roosting bars. There's their nesting box in there. Oh, hold on. There you go. That's what that looks like. I'll leave it up. There's not a lot of room, but I think for my 3 to 4 chicken max, this will do just fine. This is going to keep me reined in. Definitely reined in on the amount of chickens. So it's got a little door like this here. This is that I can see that getting hit with the humidity and warping out and having issues. But all in all, for the price I got it, because it was a clearance deal through one of those, it's one of those local folks that buys pallets and stuff from the big box stores. So I got it for 50% off. I think it's normally like a $300 Coop. Would I have paid $300 for this? You know what? If I was in a bind, I probably would, as long as I knew I'd have some sort of cover over it. But here's that hinge situation. I just want to let you know, this was a pain in the butt. So that goes up there. That one goes right there. There were no distinct holes. They had a couple back here and different areas. So anyway, I'm not a carpenter, but I figured it out. So yeah, not bad. I don't know. Yes, is it cheap? Cheaply made, but it is what it is, and it's gonna get these babies out of their little space that they're in right now. So would I give it, how many stars out of 10? If 10's the best, I would give it, on ease of put together, except for that hinge, I would say out of 10 stars, let's go 8. Let's go 9. It was easy. This was easy to put together. You can do this with a screwdriver. It tells you you should use a screwdriver and one person. Well, I use my drill. You just have to be really careful and use finesse when you use a drill. Otherwise, you're going to crack everything. So be patient and be gentle. Quality, I'd say it's probably a 6, maybe, out of 10. Like I said, I think it's going to last a little bit longer because we're going to have it undercover. So we'll see what happens with this thing. But yeah, overall, you know what? It's going to get me out of the bind that I'm in with where they're at right now. So, and this will turn into their at least forever home for now. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful to anybody that maybe is looking at getting one of these, or there it is. The Cozy Cottage Chicken Coop by Pecking Order. So holds normal sized hens up 3 to 5 hens, it says. 3 to 5. Oh, that's gonna be tight quarters. I'm saying no more than 4. Hi, I see you. Here's a head. Hi, little babies. There's 7 in here. What are y'all doing? Now they're all gonna come out because I brought the light out. They think I have food, I think. Hi, babies. They're fun. Very curious creatures. So, was it easy to put together? Yes, it was. Like I said, except for that hinge issue, but my brain doesn't always work that way. So, otherwise, I think it's gonna work great. It's gonna suit my needs for the chickens I've got. It's going to require me to keep the number of chickens I've got. And I don't know. I think it'll be all right as long as it stays under cover. That's my biggest push on this thing. Make sure it stays under cover, because as soon as it gets soaking wet, all this wood, I could see it just exploding and turning into a bunch of pieces. So, yeah. Hopefully everybody found this useful, helpful, one way or another. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.